Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys on how I achieved this beautiful, easy, spiced up high bubble ponytail on my short fussy natural hair. So stay tuned. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the red button down below that says subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So I washed my hair last night, and after that I went ahead and moisturized my hair. So I will not be moisturizing my hair in this video, but I will leave all the products I used in the description box. If you guys are interested, you can check it out. Now I will go ahead and lose the protective style, and then I will spray my DIY water on my hair because my hair is super dry, and then comb it very well. So I parted out this little front section that I will use to do a rubber band crisscross style, and I will be making 12 ponytails in total.
Look into my eyes, my heart beats like a drum. You listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning till my day just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning till my day just goes on. I fell and lost to the war, shot me dead. I was lost and I said to the voices in my head, I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. Giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on. Gotta get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get gonna get up I fell and lost to the war, shot me dead.
So now that I am done doing the rubber band crisscross style, I will go ahead and put the rest of my hair in a high bun.
I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up again.
So I will be using this Afro twist braid in the color 1B, and the hair I'm using is from Genie collection. So the hair came with a rubber band in the middle, so I'm going to attach that on the natural hair bun we created earlier, and then keep the hair in front of the bun and then flip it over, and then go ahead and grab some of the hair and use it to secure the root of the ponytail.
Look into my eyes. My heart beats like a drum. You listen to my lies. Love is far to come. Your love is far. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on. Running at the speed of light, kissing under city lights. Calls me in this morning time, but it just goes on. Gotta get up again. I'm gonna get up to another day. I'm not giving up again.
So I will leave you guys to watch how I install the bubble ponytail.
I fell and lost to the war. Shot me dead. I was lost and sad to the voices in my head. I'm gonna get up again. I'm gonna get up.
So now that I am done installing the bubble ponytail, I will go ahead and add my hair jewelries just to bring the beauty of the style out. Okay, you guys, this style is everything. I really love how everything turned out, and this hairstyle was inspired by Adana here on YouTube. And that is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.